Hello, rapid sale buyers. Welcome to the December multi-consignor sale here. And it's Santa's last chance to give away some great items this week at the multi-consignor sale at Rapid Sale. We have ourselves a real beauty of an automobile here for you. Santa's last automobile of the year at Rapid Sale. We got ourselves a 2013 Avalanche. Black four-wheel drive. This is a special series truck. This is the ultimate for you. It is your black diamond Avalanche for you. Beautiful. Not many of these around. It's got the chrome rims on it. Nice riding truck. Certified. It is a dandy. Take a quick look on the inside. She's full load to the hilt. Leather. The roof. Look at that. If you ever want to take the missus out for the evening drives under the stars, you've got it. Here it is. It's a dandy. Power everything. Leather. Not a mark on the interior anywhere. One owner. Look at that. It is a beaut. And it's got low kilometers on it. Look at the rear package in the back. The Black Diamond Avalanche Club members. There, just a little bit of a fleck on the bottom there of just the surface bubbling on the paint. It's not through, it's just underneath the paint. A little bit of a body job there. Won't take much at all. It's got the trailer hitch on the back. Also the 7-pin receptacle. Look at that. It's not marked up at all. Isn't that something? One owner gentleman doesn't need his truck anymore, and he's given somebody the opportunity. It is a beaut. Straight lines on it everywhere. Just the odd little fleck here and there. Just a little fleck here and there. Nothing serious at all. We all have the odd blemish, but it is a dandy. Let me start it up for you. I'll go in and close the door so you can see there's no lights on the dash anywhere other than the seat belt flashing. 113,782 kilometers on it. On this beautiful December the 14th, 2021. Happy birthday if it's your birthday. But look at that. Let's turn some music on here. Big band sound, I bet. Yep. Here, we'll just do a little drive forward, reversing it here for you. No noise at all. It's all certified. Always been GM dealer serviced. Barry Collins. No noise at all. Let's go pop the hood, take a look underneath it for you. Burn along just beautifully. There she be. No vibrations in the motor anywhere. Belt just moving along straight, smooth, no vibrations. Yeah, a little bit dusty under the hood. No problem. Sweet. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to run out of battery soon here, but here's your opportunity for a 2013 Avalanche, the Black Diamond Club automobile. It is somebody's beautiful chance here with low kilometers on it, one owner. Straight lines on it, just around the wheel wells. There's just a little bit of surface flaking, as you can see there. Knee deep in rubber, super duper tires. Not a problem, lots of tread on them. You bid and buy it at the auction, drive away the next day after it's paid for. Ladies and gentlemen, here is your opportunity for that Avalanche truck that you all have been just waiting to drive. Enjoy your opportunity, and Merry Christmas to one and all, and a good night to all also.